first things first. First thing you need to do is you need to log into Edpuzzle and check your feedback. I made sure I left feedback for every one of you. Okay, so I went through everyone's assignments, I marked them, and then I left comments. Those comments are there to help you. Okay, please pay attention to them. If you disagree with them, tell me, please. Okay, boys, I put a lot of effort into that feedback. I want to help you. Okay, but the only way I help you is if you guys actually take it in and try. Okay, now the feedback is going to look a bit strange to some of you. Some of you are going to open it and see this thing. Okay, actually all of you are going to. It's a URL code or a web address. I would like you to copy it and paste it into your browser and in a new tab. Okay, copy and paste it in a new tab, and it will take you to a web address that looks like this. Okay, the main feature is this thing in the middle. If you go to it and you hit play right there, it's going to play a voice note I left for you. Okay, so it's a nice way for me to communicate faster with a lot of information for you. Okay, so each one got their own voice note. Listen to the voice note. It's unique to each one of you, and almost every assignment has one as well. Okay, so I put a lot of effort into these. I would like you guys to actually listen to them and respond to them. Now, the voice note will, just a warning, it played with my voice for some reason and made it an octave or two deeper, so I sound a bit like a creepy kidnapper demanding a ransom. If you guys can just ignore that and actually listen to what I'm saying, that would be nice. But yeah, so go to Edpuzzle, find the tab, copy paste, put it in there, and hit play. Now, for some of you, you'll have a web address that has this at the end. If you do, that was my mistake. I would like you to copy this whole thing, and then when you put it in your web address, backspace that. Get rid of that thing that says voice note over there in those two brackets. Okay? If you don't take that away, it's going to take you to this web address, this website, and this is useless to us. Okay? So it should take you to a recording. If it doesn't, then you need to get rid of that voice note at the back. Now, if that doesn't work, then come talk to me and I'll be happy to help. All right. So first things first, go to Edpuzzle and respond to your feedback. With some of you, I reassigned your work, your Edpuzzle assignments. There's two reasons I would have done that. Reason one, you just got quite a few questions wrong, and I want to give you a second chance to do better, okay, to make sure you've learned from it, okay? The other reason is you've given me answers that are just, they're subpar. I think you can do better, so I'm giving you another chance, and if you're still struggling, come chat to me. All right. Now, another thing that's happened is I've posted video 4. The mysterious video 4 that was missing, I've posted it. So you had on Edpuzzle video 1, 2, and 3. Video 4 is not an Edpuzzle. It's actually in this announcement. When you're done with this video and you're done with your Edpuzzle, I want you to open that video. It explains how to complete a worksheet. Okay, and the worksheet looks like this. Okay, this is your worksheet. It has question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're telling you find the following elements in the periodic table. What is the atomic number of the following? To answer these questions, in this announcement where you found this video right now, you will find the video 4 and you will find a periodic table with this worksheet. I want you to use all of those to answer these questions, okay? You can do it on a page, you don't have to do it online, okay? But I want you to get practice using the periodic table, finding things, understanding what's going on. And then at the end of it, there are these 4 questions. I want you to start them, but if you can't do them, just stop. It's okay, all right? They're just a bit of practice. Don't take too long on this worksheet. Set a 10-minute timer. If it takes you longer than 10 minutes, stop. It's just to get a bit of practice. If you don't know what's going on with the whole thing, come talk to me, okay? But 10 minutes, that's all you need to do. So once you're done with taking your Edpuzzle feedback, okay, and you've done video 4 in the worksheet using the periodic table, then I'd like you to do the Edpuzzles and complete up to video 6. Now, a lot of you actually have done that, okay? So if you go to video 6, parts of the periodic table. Last week, you had to finish up to video 3. Today, you're going to do Edpuzzle 5 and Edpuzzle 6. Please make sure you do them in order, okay, boys? And then, when you're done with that, if you have any questions about the stuff we've covered so far, go to this assignment. You'll see there's this announcement where you found this video. There's a Google form. Go into that Google form and type any questions you have in there, okay? And then next week, we'll be answering them in a Google Meet. If you don't have questions, don't worry about the Google form. Just ignore it, okay? This is only for those people who still feel they're struggling, okay? If you have finished all of this, okay, then you go on to the next thing, which is I've posted our first assessment, which is a worksheet. You'll find it lower down in first assessments. It's called Communicating in Science. You don't have to do this, but in preparation, you can actually look ahead at what we're doing and you can start on this. Okay, that's if you've gotten ahead. Ignore that. And then last thing, there's a new setup in Google Classroom. I'm not using the stream anymore. I've gotten rid of all the stuff that's in the stream. In fact, I just want you to go to classwork and work straight out of classwork. I've organized everything according to topics with these symbols. All right, boys, that's it. If you have any questions, I'll be in the Google Meet. Please let me know. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.